Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox and review the Amazon brand, Symbol Analog Women's Watch. So this is the box which I received, as you can see here. So let's get started unboxing it. Here is the product as I received, and at first glance it does look pretty to me. Inside we also get a warranty certificate. Here you can see the tag mentioning the model number and the maximum retail price of Rs 2,199. Now for the product. The band is stainless steel and is on a thicker side of around 20 mm width, which you can see for yourself, and also the band comes with a hook and loop mechanism which you can easily adjust according to your needs. Then the round dial is of light pink color, as you can see here, and personally speaking I do find the color cute and pretty. Now the watch is not that heavy according to me, as it may seem to look heavy in the video, and also the company claims water resistance up to 30 meters depth, which obviously I can't test. I got this product for Rs 330 and I would recommend anyone to go for it blindly if you are getting it at this price, but unfortunately the price has gone up now. It's around 600 as of today, but if you get in 400 to 500 range, you can certainly consider it. And now if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, and thank you. See you in the next one.